Good morning. Out here in Winter Springs, gonna be doing some pressure washing today on this driveway and sidewalk. So I wanted to take a few before videos for you, and then have a few after shots too, so you could see the difference when we get our done pressure washing here. As you can see, this is super green right now. I'm gonna get this all cleaned up here. I'm gonna spray it with some cleaner first, some cleaning solution. As you can see, the soap and the chlorine pre-soak the concrete, so it gets all that stains out, get a lot of the stains out. If your property looks like this property and you're interested in having some pressure cleaning taken care of at your property, then please reach out to us, 321-228-9795, or find us at www.maxscreens.online. Submit your information for a free quote. We also do screen repair and full rescreens of pool enclosures and anything that has to do with servicing your pool enclosure or screen room.